What if I told you that the career you were told would bring you security, stability, and success might actually be quietly draining your time, your energy, and even your financial future? Most people enter corporate life with big expectations. You graduate, land a respectable job, get a decent salary, and think you've made it. Your parents are proud, your friends congratulate you, and society tells you that you're now on the right path. But fast forward 10 years, and the reality looks very different. At the beginning, everything feels exciting. Your first corporate job feels like a major milestone. You're learning new things, meeting colleagues, and imagining a bright future ahead. The salary might not be huge at first, but you tell yourself it's only the start. Promotions will come, raises will happen, and life will get better. And for a while, it does. Your salary slowly increases. Maybe you move into a nicer apartment. Maybe you upgrade your car. You start eating at better restaurants and taking occasional vacations. On the outside, it looks like progress. But something else is happening quietly in the background. Your expenses start rising just as fast as your income. This is what many people call lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more you spend. Suddenly, your higher salary doesn't feel so high anymore because your cost of living has grown with it. Rent, car payments, subscriptions, insurance, taxes, everything starts adding up. And before you realize it, you're stuck in a cycle. Every month becomes the same routine. Work hard, get paid, pay bills, and start over again. Then there's the pressure. Corporate life often comes with constant expectations, deadlines, performance reviews, office politics, endless meetings that could have been emails, and the silent competition between coworkers who are all chasing the same promotions. Many people spend years trying to climb the corporate ladder, believing that the next promotion will finally bring freedom. But here's the uncomfortable truth. For most people, each promotion simply comes with more responsibility, more stress, and longer hours. You're not escaping the system, you're just moving to a different level inside it. Another reality people don't talk about enough is time. 10 years in corporate can pass incredibly fast. Think about it. 40 hours a week, often more. That's over 2,000 hours every year dedicated to building someone else's company. Over 10 years, that's more than 20,000 hours. And yet, despite all that time and effort, many employees still feel financially stuck. Their salary pays the bills, but it rarely creates real wealth. Because a salary, by itself, is not designed to make you rich. A salary is designed to keep the system running. Meanwhile, the people who truly build wealth often focus on different strategies. They invest in assets, they build businesses, they create income streams that don't depend entirely on trading time for money. But most corporate employees never have the time or energy to explore those paths. After a long workday, commuting, meetings, and stress, the easiest thing to do is just rest and repeat the cycle tomorrow. Then there's another issue that many people feel but rarely say out loud: the loss of control. Your schedule is decided by someone else. Your vacation days are limited. Your income growth depends on approval from managers and budgets. Even your job security can disappear overnight if a company decides to restructure or cut costs. And that's the moment many people wake up. Because after 10 years of loyalty, late nights, and dedication, they realize something important. Corporate jobs can offer stability, but they rarely offer freedom. Now, this doesn't mean every corporate job is bad. Many companies provide valuable experience, skills, and opportunities. Corporate careers can be great learning environments, especially early on. But the real problem begins when people assume that staying in the system forever will automatically lead to wealth and freedom. For most people, it doesn't. The smartest professionals eventually start thinking differently. They begin asking questions like, how can I make my money work for me? How can I build income outside my salary? How can I create financial security that doesn't depend on a single employer? Maybe it starts with investing.
maybe a side business, maybe learning high-value skills that allow more independence. The key idea is simple. Corporate income can be a starting point, but it shouldn't be the final destination, because the real goal isn't just to survive 10 years in corporate life. The real goal is to use that time wisely so you can eventually gain something far more valuable than a paycheck: freedom.